Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan, it's your girl Swaggy. Are you ready for a dancehall epic workout? Why epic? Because I will transform dancehall steps into a real life situation. I'm gonna use authentic dancehall steps and dance to one famous old school music. I'm sure we guys gonna have lots of fun because I know you've been asking for that workout for long, and finally I decided yes, I'm on it. Alright, so let's go. Alright, guys, you can start the workout with a warm up. Yeah, so let's start with the shoulders. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Push it up, push it to the left, down, to the right, up, to the left, down, to the right. Okay, now give me the roll. Give me the nice and smooth roll. Alright. Let's roll your shoulder. Roll your shoulder. Alright. Yeah, man. Next side. Roll it. Roll it. Yeah, nice and smooth. Let's go. Roll it. Let's go. Control it. Alright. So now we're gonna start with your hips, because hips are very important in a dancehall. Alright, and we have to have active hips. Alright, okay, so to the left, push it down, to the right, bring it up, to the left, push it down, to the right. Alright, and add a little stamp to it, and we're gonna stomp a little bit and still whine. Alright, alright, so let's just stretch out our hips. I'm gonna draw a circle with it. Yes, just draw a circle with your hips. Next side, draw it. Yes, let's stretch our back too. And let's give a little whine. Yes, go, go, nice and smooth whine. Next side. Yes, man. Whine it. It's a dancehall thing. Yeah, that's how we do it in Jamaica. Roll it. Alright, that's it. So let's jump a little bit again and add a little whine to it. Jump and whine. Jump and whine. Draw a circle. Whiny whine. Jump and whine. Jump and whine. Whiny whine. Draw your circle and whine. Okay. Okay, and let's just whine. Nice smooth whine. Yeah, every girl I walk in trophy. Yeah. Okay guys, good job. Well done. First step called world dance, and it's a pretty easy step and easy to catch, and I know you guys will catch it easy. Okay, so now let's imagine you're Jamaican living in America. Let's go. Let's do it. Right is America, left is Jamaica. Right hand America. So you say America, 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 and Jamaica. I know you say Jamaica, but you still have to go back to America. Okay, so America, here, and Jamaica. Alright, let's do it together. Add it up. So America, Jamaica, America, Jamaica, America, Jamaica, America, Jamaica. And we know ya choose finally Jamaica, a paradise island, that's how you do it. Alright, next step, log on. Start with right side also, and with right leg also. Pretend like you're stepping on coronavirus, cause you say I'm fed up, I'm not want enough, I want to travel, I want to enjoy my life, I'm not want to step on quarantine. So alright, step on the coronavirus. Yeah man, step on it. To the right, step. And okay, let's set up everything together. No coronavirus. I'm fed up with it. Go. Log on. That's log on. Okay. Get a look wise. Yeah. At your shoulder. Alright, so next step. pop the collar. In Jamaica, people say you pop the collar when you want to give a big up to somebody, some situation. You see your brother with a nice and clean woman, so you say, yeah man, do your things, I support you anyways. Alright, so you pop your collar, pop it. Alright, so let's start with the right hand and right leg. Alright, so you pop it. And you go a little bit forward and you pop your collar. Go forward and pop your collar. Forward, pop your collar. Yeah man, me respect you brother. No bad mind 2020. Me say no bad mind. Yeah, now pop the collar for you. Alright, so let's do it faster. And add a little groove, add a little wine on your shoulder. Yeah, cause we work with the juice, we not barring. Alright, one. Alright, one. Yes, man. Alright, that's it. Alright. Okay, guys, good job. Well done. Today's such a odd day, but we're gonna make it. Our next step, butterfly. So what's butterfly? Because your knees, they are gonna move inside and out like a butterfly wings. Alright, it's pretty easy, so you're gonna catch it fast. Alright, let me explain to you. So your knees, they're going inside like that. Look, inside and out like a butterfly. Here, if you are not fresh on your knees, they never mush up. Put a little bit more upward. Alright, and let's do it fast with the speed. Okay, inside and out, inside and out, inside and out, inside and out. I'm sorry, me skills me not give it. Alright, so next move, get jiggy. Alright, let's get jiggy together. So imagine you came to the party, but you're shy, you can't dance, and then here comes your favorite track. So you start move. Alright, start with the right. You say, no, I'm not shy anymore. Yeah man, I'm not come here for staying at the corner. Yeah man, I'm not come free up myself. Yes, I'm not boring. Alright, go. I'm not boring, add a juice. Alright, so the next step goes winning. Start with your right hand and move with your leg to the right, and the same situation with your left side. Just go to the right with your hand like you win a cash pot, like you dream about your cash pot. And yes, dreams, they came true, blessings, they did fall into your right hand. Alright, yes man, so you celebrate. Yeah man, we did it. Yeah, cash pot. Alright, yes, me I win. Alright. Alright guys, next step, Billy Bones. Anybody who even a little bit in a dancehall culture, they know how to do Billy Bones. Even my one leg husband, he know how to do Billy Bones. Yeah man. And so far, I couldn't create nothing to joke about this step. Come respect it, joke, because I want you guys to write in the comment section something funny about this step, or what you can say about it, like how to transform that real life situation, not a funny situation. Alright, okay, let's do the Billy Bones. Alright, Billy Bones, everybody do the Billy Bones. Billy Bones. Alright guys, next step, chop the grass. Let's chop the grass together. Imagine your garden dash your way and your yard look like a bush factory. So you say, no mosquito can't get me, now go chop it myself. Me not handicap. Alright, so let's chop it together. Alright, chop it with a cutlass, chop it. Alright, now go chop my grass. Independent. Chop it. Now go economy money. Chop it. Alright, next step called killer swing, and we're gonna start with our right hand. We're gonna actually swing with it, and your legs, they go to a different side. You go a little bit down low on your knees, but you always swing your right hand. You see me? Swing it, swing it. Situation: imagine you have only your hand and off on another horse and partner so hard, oh dead, oh gosh. Alright, swing it, swing it. Alright guys, I hope you like my workout and it was fun for all of y'all, and I'm gonna make something else but different style next time. And please subscribe me and give me thumbs up if you like it. And yes, that was a dance hall old school workouts. Big up to everybody, big up to the creators. Love.
Can you a crebe, and the lyrics when me talk, if me DJ girl come out, because you